know we in that assets only phase. Whoa, you feel that? This boy going down.
This boy look like it's bowling in. This boy look like the wall sagging itself. It's missing a beam right here. That look crazy. Talking about 6,000 down. You mean 6,000 a buy?
We over here checking out this property. It's a multi-family. Got 2 lots over here.
These is some deep backyard. First thing we do is take a look at the roof.
Let me back it up. Don't just stop in the driveway and be like,
Step back and then be able to take a look. It look like it's maybe 1 layer, 1 or 2 layers, but it's definitely old. You can tell on that first floor, it got new windows.
Right.
Second floor, old windows.
Right.
Up there is missing windows. There might be some animals up there.
oh shoot.
Hole up there, but ain't no telling. Ain't no trees next to it for them to jump on.
I got distracted by the sign.
Her first thing is if the house look good. She hate ugly houses.
Peeling paint, peeling paint. They getting serious about it. So this is actually a lift.
I'm gonna bring the dogs with us.
All right, let me tie my shoe. Check out my stepper. Me and Bay flexing.
I got them winter joints on because we about to get ready to go cut some grass. These boys high enough. My feet gonna be sweat like a bug. But hey, I ain't gonna be itching. Look at this.
Rotted
So
wood.
that's rotted wood, and guess what? I'm pretty sure it's probably coming from the gutter or some water leaking right here. And it's right next to the gutter, so it could be fixed because these look like new gutters, at least right here. Oh yeah, look. This is a new section right here. You can tell because of the color difference. So this probably was broke right here. All the water is probably spilling out. Then right here you see the little bird nest. That connection going in there, that's probably not sealed right, so it was leaking out of there and just rotting this up.
No glass block.
Older windows.
The old-fashioned wood windows. Oh,
Never mind, that's a sign that say hell no.
that's a vacant field. If you see vacant lots, that's always great. You could possibly buy it through the city for super cheap. Just say, you know, if it's going to be yard expansion, you could possibly get it for cheap. Check this out.
Homemade deck here. This boy, I mean, yeah.
I'm sure this looks so nice when it was taken care of.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, it just look all forgotten about. Can you picture this boy? Like, nice though?
Shit.
That's crazy. What's the story on this? 2-car garage that definitely needs some help.
It's brick, so it might be solid. But
Maybe.
see, they got it boarded up, so that means that roof probably fell in.
Dang, these backyards are deep.
Yeah.
You went back there?
No, I just peeked around the corner, but now I can see it from here. Falling brick right here. See, these came out.
But that's just a matter of rebuilding it, right? You gotta see in the basement though, right?
Yeah.
Ooh, I ain't even think about it. My hair probably looking like, what the?
It's a little fuzzy, but hey, we out here.
It's a little late, but y'all know what's going on.
The pearls gonna be popping when she take them braids out. We got a lockbox on it. Most houses we get, they don't be coming with lockboxes. Somebody's probably mad.
Upset tenant. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, shucky ducky. This boy This house lean and lean.
Especially when you come over here.
This house going downhill. What the heck is that? Yeah, the ceiling fan probably like one of the best things in here. You can see it on camera.
And the crazy thing about it, it's people that have literally fixed this house with it leaning like this. And put a tenant in here and think it's normal. Until a family member like me come over, and I be like, dang, y'all house leaning like a motherfucker. They be like,
what's that? I thought it was normal.
Should have called art infection.
okay.
Like you can visually see that it's leaning.
And it was leaking too. You gotta do this like this. So you got on the floor.
Oh, no.
This was the bang bang get it house.
Hey, this house leaning too much.
You could tell this room leaning because it's like, it's low right here and then it goes up.
So yeah, this boy definitely leaning with a rock with a squish show.
That's crazy how houses keep telling stories. I kind of like these little fruit things up here.
That's why I know it was an older person house too.
Right.
They definitely be decorating like that.
This house is crazy because it almost seems like you have to support the whole left side of the house. And it's like, dang.
If I go stand over
so
there,
many supports.
yeah, see.
It's time to rebuild it.
Should we keep moving on?
Man, is this house safe to walk in? Walk in?
Yeah, it ain't falling.
How you know? I guess we'll find out when we go upstairs. Spin around, spin around. That's how you do it.
Don't look at him. I ain't study about that light. Already had this on the floor. He about to run.
About to go in the basement. Hey, surprised the steps ain't leaning.
Dang, man, these walls cracking.
Some of everything.
It's a no for me. Oh, watch out.
Shoot, you know it's crazy when you automatically saying no.
This boy look like it's bowing in. This boy look like the wall sagging itself. The block wall though. Talking about 6,000 down. You mean 6,000 to buy it? Look at the electric panel. That's old. Oh, they actually cut those wires in one in that joint. So they just stole some wires. So you gotta rewire. Furnace gone, hot water tank gone. The basement don't look bad, but that wall look bad. Like, just look at the top of it. It's going downhill. See that?
Is there any plumbing?
I think, look at this sag and this beam. It's missing a beam right here. That look crazy. Look at the beam. From there on down.
Wow.
So this beam literally going like this.
Right, like a ramp.
Yeah. There's a dead snake he's sniffing.
Ew. No. Those are the recall.
But ain't no telling. We need like Federal Pacific box. Yeah, they cut a bunch of wires. Yeah, I think this one is. So this boy gonna need rewire. There's no telling where those wires went to.
Do you think we should get this?
What, you?
Whoa, babe, look. Do you see this? Or am I tripping? You see the cabinet?
This whole room feel like it's going that way too.
Look at these steps.
This is crazy. Definitely got some chip and paint.
No.
Alright, so this is the second unit kitchen.
Look, it looks like somebody in there on that bed.
I thought it was a big ass dead dog. But no, that's a cover. I don't even want to step in this kitchen floor. That boy's sagging.
Well, shoot, we ain't got to.
Yeah.
I ain't getting this. I wouldn't even recommend nobody buying it.
But I can tell you right now, just from here, that motherfucking living room is sagging. Look at the cracks on the walls, on the ceilings. I'm good, y'all. There's a couch in there though.
That boy's authority probably is the weight limit.
Bathroom ripped out. I mean, they ripped out the plumbing. Got a back room right there. Hey, these hardwood floors don't look bad though. This boy's sagging though. Bedroom right there. But I wonder if y'all can actually see this boy's pretty. In our eyes, it look like this. When you see thick cracks like
Get
that,
your butt in here.
I know it's serious. I ain't going up there, I ain't lying.
Hey, somebody was in the fiscal office with a gun on their hip. Like, what?
It probably was a agent or something. Hey, there's a couple chairs up here. This probably one of them spooky attics. Like, yeah, we don't go up there. There's some creepy dolls up there. Hey, there's shirts hanging up in here. Somebody lived in this joint.
They probably do.
Right.
They like, they was at your house, baby.
Right. Hey, Roy. Right. Hey, this cleaner than the whole house. This boy look like a little room. It's hot than the mother sketcher though.
That boy leaning?
Nah, this the straightest of the whole house. There's some missing windows over there. Oh, y'all heard it? First time I found out.
Whoa, you feel that?
Yeah, we literally going downhill.
Dang, this boy going down.
Hey, gotta make sure we lock this boy back up.
How much would it cost to redo this house? And how much would it be after?
We know it need a roof, so that's gonna be 10,000. We know it need to be jacked up all through here. Honestly, that's probably like, I'll probably say 4,500. The block wall, that boy need to be redone, maybe need to be jacked up. It's kind of bowing in, that's waterproofing. Waterproofing at the lowest probably gonna be like 8,000, but the block wall need to be fixed. That's probably gonna be another. They charge 1,700 per. These things fall like piles or whatever to push that wall back out. So you probably need about like 10 of them. Then you ain't even get to the pretty stuff yet. That's just jacking it up and doing that. It need to be rewired because the wire is cut in there. So that's to rewire this house. You're probably looking at, we're gonna say 4,000. That's probably for one of the units if they didn't cut all the wires. But really for the whole house, I'm gonna say 6,800.
I just quoted 12.
12,000?
Yeah, Mom.
Take that back. Oh, so damn.
There's people who would do it cheaper, but
Yeah.
he probably got, you know how that is.
Yeah.
When you got the right people doing it, sometimes they be having the right prices.
Right. You might as well get the whole thing rewired.
Right.
So that's 12 bands. Then you got to do drywall in here still. Let's say $5,000 on the drywall. Then you got to paint. The paint itself probably gonna cost like $2,500. That's just for the paint. That's if you're doing it yourself. You paying somebody, they gonna probably charge you $1,500 maybe to paint the whole house. What else? Floors. If you wanna sand the floors in here, they actually got good hardwood floors. Let's say if you paying somebody, probably $2,500. I don't know. I ain't never really paid nobody to sand no floors. I'm probably looking at $5,000 each floor. 5,000, and maybe do all them floors. And then you gotta buy sinks and fixtures and stuff like that. Let's say $1,000, and I forgot about cabinets. So if you want to do new cabinets in there, let's say $2,000 for both kitchens, $2,500.
Well, at least
showers.
you got some vinyl siding.
Yeah. The good thing about it, the outside you don't gotta do that much work because the siding is good. Still gotta do some tuck point in this brick, like this brick's falling off. That's another, let's say, $1,000. To pay somebody to go around and tuck point and everything. And shit, I think that'll be it. We gonna see what the calculations say because we ain't writing none of this stuff down. But after all, you probably be able to sell this with some tenants in it. What, maybe 60,000? And all them numbers I just read off don't add up. They might as well go ahead and tear this boy down, sell the land to the neighbor.